Let's make these quick wall planters using items from the Dollar Tree. You can make this using items from the home improvement store like Home Depot, Lowe's, but I'm just going to be using items from the Dollar Tree. It's going to be real quick and simple. This pack of planks comes together. I'm going to take 8 of them. I'm going to stain them. Um, do the sides. I didn't do the sides because in my mind you weren't going to see the sides, but you do end up seeing the sides of these. And like I said, you can do this on a bigger scale using actual pieces of wood. Dollar Tree sometimes has bigger planks than these, but I'm using these. I stained them. Like I said, do the sides because when I started to put it together, I realized you might not see the sides from the front, but you do see them from the side. So once everything dried, I just glued it together. You could use a wood glue, but I'm not going to be putting anything too heavy in these. It's just wall decor. Line it up, let them dry, and then you can release it. If you're going to be doing these using actual wood and stuff, you can nail these together. But I just hot glued mine, glued it into like a little rectangle box type shape, let all of that dry. And then this is how it looks, and you can see the sides. But I was anticipating just the look from the front like that. So I did go in and finish up those sides. I took this little piece and just cut it in half. This is just a bottom piece so the little faux florals don't fall out. I'm not going to be using a real plant or anything in there, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you're done with that, like I said, paint the sides. Again, I just put something to hang it on the back. I got these from a picture frame at Dollar Tree that I took those off to make a little tray with. So I'm just going to use those. And this is how it comes out. It is so simple, so easy. And like I said, you can do this using actual wood, or you can use the cute little planks like I did and make just a cute little simple piece of wall decor. You can also paint these in different colors. But I hope you enjoyed and it gave you some inspiration to go out and do some of your own DIYs.